celery and lemon juice. When I tell you that her scalp was a normal color, it was no longer dry and flaky, and her hair was just so beautiful. Shiny. It's like it almost changed her hair texture. Not almost, it did. So, I am a professional hairstylist here in Atlanta. And as a stylist, you are here to help the community, and you have no control over what walks through the door. And in the perfect world of somebody's mind, as a stylist mind, you can say, I want everybody's hair to be a certain hair texture or a certain hair type. So everybody's hair will walk out being beautiful, but that is not so. And I really think that's a good thing because it challenges you as a hairstylist to be able to work on all different hair types and to also become better. It allows you to think more, to be able to dig deeper, to help people. And it was this young lady who came through the door, and she had um, a very white, flaky scalp. And her hair was very dry, it was very brittle. And she wanted hairstyles to me that were not really becoming of her hair because her hair was so thin. And truthfully, I don't think it could be any hairstyle that would have been becoming due to her hair. But I commend her, and I wanted to do her hair because she didn't want to wear no wig. She wanted to wear her own hair, and she was proud of her hair, which she had. And she was proud of the skin that she was in. So I was rocking with her. So um, over time, as I got more comfortable with her, and the more a client comes and sits in your chair, the more you start to learn their hair. And through the conditioning treatments, and through the hydration treatments, and through the scalp treatments, I knew that her hair health was beyond the chair. It was nothing that I could put on her hair. It was definitely an internal issue. And as I got closer with her, she began to ask me questions, and I began to incorporate little solutions for her. And she was with it. So one day she asked me about my skin, about my hair. And, I do drink a lot of watermelon juice and different things like that. And I knew what could help her, but I didn't want to be intrusive. So when she asked me, I told her. And she said to me, Hey, Jim, what do you suggest for me? And I said to her, I suggest in the morning, first thing when you wake up, I want you to put celery juice and lemon on your stomach. I didn't think no more about it. Fast forward 6 months, she walks in the door, skin glowing. She like a whole doll baby. I'm like, what did you do different? She said nothing. I said, uh-huh. She said, nah. I said, girl, you look amazing. What are you doing? She acting like she don't know. I get her to the shampoo bowl, and I drape her, and I put her towel on and everything, and I laid her back in the shampoo bowl. I'm looking at her hair. I'm like, her hair done got thicker. Her scalp is no longer white. Her scalp is supple and smooth and the same complexion as her forehead skin. It's just smooth all around. There's no more scaling of the scalp. The scalp was not white. She didn't have, I seen new hair follicles coming in. Her hair was thicker. Her hair was soft. It was supple. She looked beautiful and her hair was beautiful. I said, uh-uh. You gonna tell me what you been doing? Cause girl, not only is your skin popping, your hair it's completely changed. She said, Jim, you know what I've been doing? I forgot to tell you. I've been doing what you told me, drinking the celery and a lemon. Honey, the benefits of the celery and lemon is the bomb. And I want to show you how to do it first thing in the morning. So the reason why we do it first thing in the morning is to be able to get your, because nothing is on your stomach first thing in the morning. So when you put the celery juice in there, it just goes straight to work. So it's breaking your break fast. Your breakfast, that's your breakfast, is breaking your fast from you sleeping at night. So watch this.
Yes.
Yeah.
And my hair was actually very, very, very thin, and I started having, I don't know, to me it looked like alopecia because
Mm-hmm.
it was just very, just, I had areas was kind of almost no hair,
Mm-hmm.
going on. And so I, we did have, we started building our own personal relationship, and she guided me, and she's extremely holistic. So the steps and the guidance that she gave me were using vegetables. I mean, we're using things that come, not pills or not, no, those types of medication, but she specifically told me, here's what you need to do.
Now you don't know, you didn't see Patricia's hair before, but Patricia has not a scalp issue anymore. She used to have a line of just dryness
Yep.
all around her whole front part, and she
Yep.
doesn't anymore.
Yep.
It is completely gone. Her hair is so hydrated and so supple and everything.
Like literally everything started to go away.
Hi, my acidities. This is me cutting up my organic celery, and I'm going to put it in warm water with baking soda to get off any pesticides or anything on there that is harmful because we're not cooking it. I'm going to cut up this lemon because I do not want to actually put it through the juicer with the skin on it. I'm just too lazy. So I'm just going to strain it, and put it in with my actual celery juice. It helps to mask the taste of it. I like to, after I'm done, put it in the refrigerator and drink it cold. Okay. Celery juice by itself is very pungent. It is actually anti-inflammatory, and bacterial and anti-fungi. So it helps with any dandruff, any scalp inflammation, any hair loss, slow growing hair, stress. It helps with hormones. Helps with shiny hair. You see my customer. The proof is in the pudding, and I just put it all together and shake it up, and that's it. Let it sit in the refrigerator for a few minutes to get cold and drink it on down. I like to put mine in mason jars, and that's it, girls. Enjoy.